Alrighty, so it's been a while since I've done one of these code snippet videos where I kind of just did a small demo of something I've been doing and talked about kind of how I did it. And if you are kind of curious on why this seems familiar to you, it's because this was actually a video I did release on this channel a few days ago, but I've since made it unlisted because it didn't make sense to me to have the video. It didn't really fit the rest of my videos and kind of out of place, so I unlisted it, but I remembered about these code snippets, and I haven't done one in a while. So I figured I would do one on this, which is the chance cube reward of Connect 4. So the other day on stream, we made a Connect 4 mini game for chance cubes. If you know what chance cubes is, it's a Minecraft mod I make that basically you break the cube and then a random event happens and you get a reward or a not reward, and fun things happen. And I guess I can just go ahead and show you what this Connect 4 does. So you go ahead and you would break the cube. I'm doing this to get the reward specifically, but you'd break the cube and you'd get this, a big giant Bedrock Connect 4 game board thing. You're also given 21 red concrete powder. If you're in survival, you would be able to go up these ladders here to get at the top. And what you would do is you would go ahead and place your concrete powder in there, and then an AI will place a yellow concrete powder, and you will basically just be playing against the UI. And that is essentially how this game works. And you'll kind of keep placing. Obviously, you can like move around and whatnot. I'm in creative, so I can fly around and kind of give you a better bird's eye view as the AI tries to win there. But yeah, so it's Connect 4. I don't know what else to say. It's a full AI, and I'll probably just go ahead and lose here just so I can. Actually, I won't lose quite yet. So let's talk about the AI here. So for this game, this is actually sort of referenced off of the Connect 4 game I did for Discord, where I made Connect 4 in Discord. Kind of uses some of the same code or same principles as that, but obviously these are kind of two separate, totally different environments, so it doesn't really make sense that they were totally kind of copied over, but you can think of use this as a base. But yeah, so it's just Connect 4. It's just a 7x6 grid. You place a red concrete powder into the grid, and then once it stops at a spot, it actually sets the block state of that position to whatever. Otherwise, it's a falling concrete powder block, which is actually an entity, so it doesn't get detected as a block. But when it gets set, it does, and the game is constantly ticking and checking for block updates in the game area. And that's how it updates, and then when an update happens, it then triggers the computer to go, place the computer's block, and so on and so forth. So for actually how this all works, though, that was like, this is how the game works, is you place and it goes one there. But for the AI is actually the same concept as what tic-tac-toe is. Tic-tac-toe uses a minimax algorithm to have its AI work, which is basically to go through all of the game possibilities and choose the best outcome it can based upon all those game possibilities from the end states. I'm not going to go over full how minimax works as a whole video in itself, but at any rate, just know it uses minimax, and it chooses the next run based upon the best solution it can find from that. Connect 4, on the other hand, while you can use that, has way too many kind of paths and game end states for a computer to realistically crunch through in a reasonable amount of time. Obviously, I have a pretty strong computer here, so it can do it, but not in the milliseconds you need, or even kind of microseconds that's needed to actually figure out the state before it can actually then place its piece for the movement. So to aid in that, it does minimax, but it can only go to a depth of 7, so it can only see 7 moves ahead and make its guessed upon there. So that's how you kind of limit it and make it run much faster. So that's the only kind of difference that's made over how the tic-tac-toe works. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how this works. Yeah, that's Connect 4. The AI is beatable. It has a chance to make mistakes. It's a little wonky. I mean, obviously I'll be kind of perfecting it as time goes, but yeah, that's this is Connect 4. I'm not sure what else to say. It's a new reward coming soon to chance cubes. So there we go. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this again. Code snippets video, and I'm sorry that I took the other video down and I make this one, so sorry you've seen both, but this one makes much more sense. It fits my channel much more. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go ahead and lose to the AI real quick. unless the AI isn't smart. You know, it's a work in progress. It's a work in progress, chat. You know, let's just, you know, it's, I'm gonna win. I got my 5 diamonds. But anyways, they're not perfect. Quite, you know. It doesn't need to be perfect either. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.